Here's 5 things you should know about the canvas in Camtasia. Number 5 is almost like doing magic. Before you start your video project, you should know who's your audience, what dimensions do you need, where are you going to post the video, what colors are you going to use, and is your media organized in a folder on your computer so you can just drag and drop and you're good to go. Once you've got all that, let's talk about the canvas. Number 5, detaching the canvas. You can give yourself more room to edit by detaching the canvas. Simply right-click and click Detach Canvas, which will put your timeline on one monitor and the canvas on your second monitor. The preview window is going to be bigger. It just gives you more real estate so you can fine-tune the details and position things exactly as you need. Try to detach the canvas, give yourself that little extra room, and see if it helps. Number 4, edit, pan, and crop modes. The menu bar at the top of the Camtasia window lets you interact with the canvas in different ways. In edit mode, you can reposition elements on the screen to put them exactly where you need them in your video. In pan mode, it's like taking your camera and moving it around so you get a different view of what's actually on the screen. It doesn't reposition the elements, it just gets you a different view of what's actually there. And crop mode lets you actually take your elements and resize and reshape them so you can cut out certain things from those elements. So let's say you have a video or a picture of you and your significant other, your ex-significant other, and you want to take out the nasty ex. Well, what you do in crop mode is you're actually splitting it. So all you're left with is the piece of the picture that you want left in the video. There's quite a bit to cover with these different modes, so if you want me to go further in another tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Number 3, changing color. So you can really easily change the background color of the canvas if you want it to be something different other than the default black. This is useful for transitions. Let's say you're fading in or fading out. You're going to see the background color of the canvas when you're doing those transitions. And if you want that to be a different color other than black, simply right-click, go to Project Settings, and then change the color over here using the Color Picker tool. Now stay in this window because there's a few more settings that you need to know about right here. Number 2, resize and changing the resolution. You want to make sure before you start your project that your canvas is the right size and resolution that you need. If you want to use something that isn't listed here, click on Custom and then enter the height and the width that you need for your video. If you want to keep the same aspect ratio, click the lock button here that's going to turn green and lock the dimensions of this video. You can still change the height and the width, but it's going to keep the same ratio between these two dimensions. And number 1, how to automatically resize the canvas with just one click. So let's say you shot a vertical video, it's already in the dimensions that you need, you brought it into Camtasia. Now what you can do is drag the media from the media bin onto the stage, and as you'll see, the size of the canvas has automatically resized to the exact dimensions of that video clip. These are just a few of the tricks in Camtasia that you can do specifically with the canvas. Did you find what you were looking for in this video? If not, let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want to keep making Camtastic videos, check out this video on the screen right now.